I tend to take my goblet, which is leather hard, and dip it into my water. And I set it on my stem. And then I'm looking for center at the base and center at the top. And I'll move it around till it feels close. This is critical. If you found that I threw that thing off center, but now it's not, and you're like, oh no, what happened? It's probably a breeze. You want to make sure that what is on center is your cup, because it'll correct itself. But if you just choose to make this on center, you will have a hot mess because this will not be centered up properly with your cup. So always look first and foremost for center right here. And I'm just going to, whoop, there it slipped around a little bit. I'm looking for it again. And there it is. I feel it. I'm not even pushing hard, you guys. I'm just feeling. So I know when you look to the side of this cup, the profile is going to be perfect all the way to this point. This is not a hidden join. This is a join that we're drawing the eye to. I like it because it gives you clay to push down and really secure your join. Do you see that? Now, is it on center up here? It is. Is it always that easy? No, not for anybody. But if it wasn't, you'd come right up here and get a little correction to it. Come back down here, make sure you've got it, and that's it. That's all there is to it. There is no huge compressing. It's just a touchdown, and you're trusting that you've scored both and clay likes clay. And then once you glaze the inside of this stem, another reason to have it open is because the glaze will go down there and even more secure that attachment on the outside and the inside. Isn't that nice? So the reason I like a wider stem, this looks elegant, but you could hold from here, you can hold from here, you could hold from here. You could do this, but those long skinny pencils, that is going to take some serious concentration. So you better not have the third glass of wine, right? Okay. All right. Do we love it? Now, if you've decided to use the Sureform tool and it got torn up right here, bring your goblet close to center. You don't have to stress out to be it perfectly on center, and take a moist sponge and just go around and compress it so that where you went with your Sureform tool is not uncomfortable in your mouth. Okay. I don't even have that on center. Isn't that beautiful?